Welcome. In front of me is a Xiaomi Redmi Note 8T, and today I'll show you how to hard reset the device through recovery mode. Now this process will also remove a screen lock if you have one that you don't know the pattern to, password or pin, whatever it is set to. So number one, let's start by powering off the device. And when the device shuts off, you want to hold power key and volume up, both of the keys at the same time. And as you can see, we're now in the recovery mode. So from here, using volume keys, you want to select wipe data, confirm mode with power key, then wipe all data. So simply press power key once more and confirm. Also begin the process, and as you can see, it's a fairly quick one, at least at this point. So data wipe successful, power key to go back to main menu, power key, and once more power key. And now the phone will continue to perform the reset in the background, so this will take a little bit longer than it normally does to turn on the device. And once it's finished, we'll be greeted with the Android setup screen. So I'll be back once that is visible. And as you can see, now the process is finished and you can set up your device as however you like. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.